Hey y'all, let me tell you about my rod. My fishing rod. More specifically, the boutique fishing tackle company Meathog Fishing. And its all-purpose inshore light tackle rod, the Little Punisher. Now quick specs on this rod. The Little Punisher's blank is a 7-foot carbon fiberglass hybrid. The carbon makes it light enough to hold and cast all day, or even light tackle deep drop, and the fiberglass adds additional strength. The rod is equipped with 6 silicon carbide guides, which are plenty, as the line never touches the rod while under torque. And a really underlooked aspect of this rod is the additional length added to the rod butt. Most people don't even notice it, but this additional length allows for more whip when casting, which allows for longer cast. I cannot overstate how this feature of additional casting distance can help when trying to sneak up on a school of reds in shallow water, or when cranking larger inshore bottom fish such as triggers, sheepshead, togs, or other stuff out of 100 feet of water or more. Now, quick history of this rod. The team at Meathog Fishing are guides and charter captains. They wanted to come up with a rod that inshore light tackle guides like myself could use for maybe not everything we target, but well, almost everything. If you are guiding out of a center console, you are space limited, no other way around it. We can only carry so many outfits. If you don't have to change your outfit for a different species, but still can give your clients a sensitive rod to fish with, it's a no-brainer. Bam! Winner chicken dinner. I've had these on board now for 2 years. I've yet to have a rod break, and I've tried. Bob, the head man at Meathog Fishing, even asked me to try. Now I'm assuming I catch around 90% of my fish on these rods. Throughout the course of a full day fishing, I could be catching speckled trout, redfish, bluefish, flounder, weakfish, maybe a lost striped bass, sheepshead, triggerfish, sea bass, small sharks, etc. You get the point. If I'm not targeting cobia or amberjacks, the Little Punisher is catching it. Now, if you're interested in one of these, the link to Meathog is in the description. They are extremely competitively priced. I may use budget reels, but I use rods that are badass and made to last. And that, my brothers, is shit you gotta know.